Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the kinetic molecular theory postulate. First we discuss the what is the kinetic molecular theory. The kinetic molecular theory is a model that contains 5 postulates that effectively explain the behavior of ideal gas, and from all of them ideal gas law can be derived. This theory consists of 5 following postulates. First one is negligible volume. Second one is random motion. Third one is elastic collision. Fourth one is average kinetic energy. Fifth one is intermolecular forces. Now we discuss the kinetic molecular theory postulate now one, which postulate one is that is the negligible volume. Now we discuss this postulate. Gases are made up of the small particles that can be atoms or molecules that are small enough that the empty space between them that they have negligible volume. So here we write gases are made up of small particles can be atoms or molecules that are small enough and have so much empty space between them so that their volume is negligible. Assume to be 0. Now we discuss the kinetic molecular theory have the second postulate that have the random motion. And random motion gases are made up of the particles that are always in random motion. They often collide with one another and with the wall of the container. This is also cause the particle to exert the pressure on the wall of the container. They travel in straight line until they collide with the wall of the container or each other. So here we write gases are made up of particles that are always in random motion and they often collide with the wall of the container and each other. This collision also causes to exert pressure on the wall of container. They travel in straight lines until they collide with the wall of container. Now we discuss the third postulate of kinetic molecular theory, that is the elastic collision. Inelastic collision have no net gain or loss despite the collision. Inelastic collision have net loss of energy. In elastic collision, total amount of kinetic energy is conserved. In inelastic collision, total kinetic energy is not conserved. So here we write the kinetic energy in elastic collision is conserved. No kinetic energy is conserved. So here we write gas particles with gas particles collide with the wall of the container and each other. The collision between the particles are elastic, which means no kinetic energy is lost or gained. The total amount of kinetic energy is conserved in elastic collision. Now we discuss the fourth postulate of kinetic molecular theory, that is the average kinetic energy. The average kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature. This means that if we have low kinetic energy, this means it has low temperature. If we have higher temperature, then it means it's higher kinetic energy. So here we write the average kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature in gas particles. This means that as the same temperature, all gases have the same kinetic energy. Now we discuss the fifth postulate of kinetic molecular theory, that is the intermolecular forces. In gas particles, the intermolecular forces between them is negligible. It means that they have no attractive and no repulsive force between the gas particles. They have no intermolecular forces. So here we write there are negligible attractive and repulsive forces between the particles. This means that the particles has no interactive with each other, nor do they get affected by each other. There is no intermolecular force of attraction or repulsion present among the gas molecules.